Screencastify and some of the features it's got. To start with, I've got the Screencastify add-on or extension already installed on my computer. So if you click on that Screencastify, it'll bring up a couple different options. The first one is if you want to just record just using your webcam, you can do that by clicking the webcam. Once you start the recording, it'll show your entire screen like this. So I'll show you real quick. It'll give me a little count in, and here's the Screencastify recording. If you want to stop it, just go ahead and hit stop, and then it'll save it automatically and take you to the Screencastify site where you can trim it or edit it or whatever you need to do. If you wanted to show like your whole computer screen, you can do that as well. If you click desktop, there's a couple of options in here you'll want to know. If you're doing something where you'd like a little picture of you, then you do want to do embed webcam. If you don't want yourself shown and you just want to show your screen like I'm doing right now, then you would turn off embed webcam. Some other options down here, I like having this timer. You can turn that to different times, so if you want 10 seconds to get ready, that's fine. Just click that. And then you can change if you have a microphone plugged in or something. I'm using my internal microphone and I don't have a webcam plugged in, but if you had something different, you could choose that. Again, when you hit record, you get the option to move your little box around, so maybe I want myself right there. And then in order to start it, I need to click this and hit share. Now you'll hear the time starting. It'll go click, 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 and now it's recording. When you're done, you can just simply down here hit stop sharing. Again, that'll take you to your Screencastify website where you can then edit it and save it and publish it and do whatever you need to do with that. So hopefully that's been helpful for you.